All right, so the question is, how do we stay up to date on legal developments? There are really three ways that occurs. Number one, Google. Your lawyer will Google as much as the average person to find out information. For a lot of us, it's a common way that we stay on top of things, particularly the news, and what information is coming out from bar associations and state courts. What's the second way? Court opinions. Quite often we learn by doing. It's called the practice of law. So oftentimes one of us will find a case that's been referenced by a higher court, and it'll get presented in another case that we are currently in or that a friend of ours is in, but that's how we stay on top of new cases that are coming out. The volume of information is almost impossible for all of us to stay on top of all the time, so it's a collective effort. The third and final thing is, how do we stay on top of case developments? It's the news. Just like anybody else, we look at the news, whether that's traditional media or social media. We pay attention to what's going on in the world to gather what's happening in court. Johnny Depp and Amber Heard is a great example. I know more lawyers that watch that trial than any other trial in recent memory. Like and follow for more stories about what it's like to be a lawyer.